Man, I can't believe Vortex Bro got sucked into the vacuum cleaner. What should I do to free him? I know. I will go to his house and get him out of the vacuum cleaner. There's the vacuum cleaner. Now to get Vortex Bro out of the vacuum cleaner.
Yay. I've been freed from the vacuum cleaner by you. Thank you, virtual virus.
You're welcome, Vortex Bro.
You just freed Vortex Bro from the vacuum cleaner. How dare you? That's it. Virtual virus. Go home right now while I call your parents. Hello. Virtual virus's parents. Your son just freed my son Vortex Bro from the vacuum cleaner. Ground him for this, please. Okay. Thanks. Bye-bye. And Vortex Bro, you are grounded for 704 years for being freed by virtual virus. Go upstairs to your room right now, and I will tell your father about this when he gets home.
Yeah.
Virtual virus. We can't believe you freed Vortex Bro from the vacuum cleaner. You know that Vortex Bro is a very bad boy for sucking people into the vacuum cleaner. That's it. You are grounded for 381 years.
Go upstairs to your room right now, or you will be sent to Romania.